Hello guys, this is Angie. Want to share you again my recipe today. So what we have today is a chicken breast. So we will make a uh, seared pan chicken breast, guys. So here are all my ingredients. So okay, I show you guys. Here I have two chicken breasts. Here is this one almost 800 grams. One each is 400 grams, guys, and all this is my spices. Salt, that one. Then we need to marinate, and before we need do the marination, we need to dry with a kitchen towel. This one, guys, so that all the spices there can go inside the meat. It's intact the skin, no need to pick out. Salt, ginger powder, then garlic, then I add some herb is a thyme, guys, then black pepper, then I'm using the thick teriyaki sauce, guys. This one. Wow, it's so tight. Then so done the marination, so just set aside first and then we do the other thing. So I add some vegetable, guys. Vegetables I have here, I have asparagus and bell peppers, guys. So this all the vegetable I will add later on because mag-cut na tayo ng gulay, guys. We're going to cut the what's that, asparagus in a diagonal, or yeah, like this. Yeah, I season some spices then later. I cut like this so that easy to cook, guys. I season with salt the vegetables and add black pepper and garlic powder as well. So now, guys, we heat oil on a skillet or a pan. I'm using olive oil and rice bran oil, mix oil. This one I'm using, guys. Then we just turn the heat into medium low heat. Just let us slowly to cook so that will not become tough. Wow, the smell is good. And don't be make too dry. Not nice so too dry. So one thing more about to make a chicken breast, guys, is make extra delicious. Add tablespoon of butter to the skillet, allow it to melt, then flip the chicken a couple of times cold. The butter will help dissolve some of the flavor of the bottom of the skillet to further coat the chicken. So I cut some butter. There you go, guys. I-check natin na kung okay na siya, guys, kasi hindi pwede na masyadong or overcook. And you must not make it too dry. So here you go. I can already tell. Oh shit! What? You guys. Okay, and then be careful. We're almost done cooking the chicken breast, guys. And yes, when ways of cooking chicken breast can do by grilling, poach, barbecue, bake. Then, but today I preferred seared chicken on the stove because so easy to cook than the oven, guys. So I preferred on the stove and make it fast. Then next we do is the vegetables. We just stir fry on the stove also. Additional for the chicken breast. So I clean first my skillet here or pan. Take away all the burnt thing inside, guys. My next thing to cook is the vegetables. Just throw in everything. I think just 3 minutes to 5 minutes. No need to overcook also so that crunchy, nice to bite. Wow. See? Look, guys, oh, just like in oven also. Nice. Done. Look, guys, so nice. Wow, so juicy, juicy. Then, wow, nice, guys. So juicy, you see? I show you all the juice. There you go, guys. Nice. Wow, really yummy. There you go, guys. My pan-seared chicken breast. Really nice, good, guys. Yummy. Juicy, very tender. Yeah, of course, delicious, guys. And yes, if ever you wanna try, so I just write down description box below the full recipe and everything I made here or I used to make this one, guys. So hope you like my video and please give thumbs up and write comment down below and please subscribe, guys. And yes, don't forget to click the notification bell and click all so that all my new video when I upload is you can be notified, guys. And yes, thank you very much for your support to my channel, guys. And yeah, and let's give a try. Seems cooked in oven or grilled inside oven. The looks, guys. Yeah, I use on the pan or skillet. I think and that's like. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Wow, so yummy. Mmm. Really. And the vegetables. Mmm. Big thumbs up, guys. Wow. Really yummy, guys. I can say I let you try this, guys, recipe. It's really good. So delicious. So just check on the description box, guys, the full recipe. Hmm. Mm-hmm. What can I say? Guys, until here, I end this my food blog. Um, see you next time again, guys. So hope your day or whatever day you has today, guys. Because here in my place is already afternoon Tuesday. Then hope you're great so far and yes, always be kind in life. See you soon, guys. Bye.